Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover Snapchat My Eyes Only photos. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, open up any browser. Okay, open up a browser. Now go ahead and tap on the URL box. Now type in support.snapchat.com. Once done, just hit on enter. Now, once it loads, go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find the contact us button. Okay, tap on it. Now in here, scroll down and find the option, I need help with the Snapchat feature. Tap. Then go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find memories. Okay, tap on memories and then tap on using my eyes only. And scroll all the way down and tap on filling out this form. Okay, just tap on it, wait for it to load, and here you'll have a form. It will be set to using my eyes only. Scroll down, type down your username, email, and the description or your problem. Okay, in here, just go ahead and type down maybe hello Snapchat team, I lost my I lost all of my eyes only pictures due to some bug. I wish to receive all my photos as they are most important to me. Please let me know how I can proceed. Okay, just type down your concern, and once done, tap on submit. Wait for Snapchat's reply with the email that you entered right here and is associated with your Snapchat account. Just wait a bit. And once you receive the email, open up your emailing service, it could be Gmail, and follow their simple prompts from the email. All right, and that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.